Breaking news, firefighters in Newark, New Jersey battling a house fire. Dan Rice is in Chopper 2 over the scene now. Dan.
And a fairly destructive fire here, Mary. You're looking down at South 11th Street between 9th and Central Avenues in Newark. That fire broke out at around 11:30 this morning, quickly consuming the building. In the middle of your picture there are 3 alarm fires, what they're calling it. Most of the structure has collapsed into itself with pretty much only that front wall remaining. Now you see a house on either side of it. Both of those houses have also taken on severe damage because of that fire. Crews trying to get a handle on this. At this point, no reports of any injuries. That's the good news, but you can see crews have their hands full. We have Newark Fire, Police, also PSE&G, all on PSE&G, all on the scene trying to help with the situation. Reporting live in Chopper 2, Dan Rice, CBS 2 News.
Dan, thank you.